Welcome back to German with John Berlin. Today we'll be doing some fundamentals and some basics of the German language, how to get started learning it. Now, for these starters, we need to see how we can type the special characters when we write German. Otherwise, all the letters are like in Latin, like the English letters, except for these 4 letters, which we'll just have a look right now together. The first letter is, as we had mentioned earlier, a umlaut. The 2 dots are called umlaut and it's pronounced like A. Now to type this letter, here is the combination. That means if you don't have a German keyboard, you could hold down the Alt button and press 0196. Yes, at the same time, and you'll get the output, umlaut in capital. Accordingly, you could do it for the others. Yes, O umlaut, which is U, U umlaut, which is U, or SZ. Yes, you can get these characters with the following alt codes. Fantastic. Now, if you don't want to do that, there's of course the English convention, yes, in which you could alternatively use a E instead of an umlaut. It denotes as well umlaut. Perfect. Super. Now, some combination letters which I would like to point out, the sounds of some combination letters. Now, whenever in German you come across EI, or in Deutsch, if we pronounce it's, if whenever A and E are written together, the sound it makes is I, like in Frankreich. Whenever E and A are written together in this fashion, it makes the sound of E, it's diesem. Yes. SCH together make sh, like wahrscheinlich, Schule. Now, CH has 2 sounds. Either it could be ch, like machen, or sometimes it could be like sh, like Kirsche. It differs from word to word. S, we already know, is making the sound of Z, like Zex. Whenever you see SP together, you'll not call it Sprach, you'll rather call it Sprach, Spa. Whenever there is ST together, you won't call it Studieren, you could better call it Studieren. Yes. Whenever you have EU together, in Deutsch, it makes the sound of Oi, like in the words neuen, Deutsch, or Euro. Perfect. So with that in mind, let's get started and read a text I have for us. Now, the text I have here is the original text, and the text on the right is with the sounds that I have written down in syllables for the respective alphabets. That means as a beginner, to read this text, you might want to follow the sounds wherever required, and you could take your time out and read this text. So, let's see how we go. John Berlin, Vorstellung. Mein Name ist John Berlin. Ich bin ein Schriftsteller und ein Deutschlehrer von Beruf. Ich bin 33 Jahre alt. Meine Hobbys sind zu unterrichten, Bücher zu schreiben, Boxen zu gucken und zu malen. Mit 30 Jahren habe ich mein erstes Buch geschrieben. Es heißt Code of Dreams. Ich habe eine kleine Familie und eine Hündin. Ich habe sie aus der Liebe für Deutschland Berlin genannt. Ich spiele Fangen mit ihr. Ich interessiere mich sehr für fremde Sprachen. Ich möchte noch Spanisch und Französisch lernen. Ich habe mich an einem spanischen Sprachinstitut angemeldet. Wahrscheinlich lerne ich Spanisch so gut als Deutsch. Der spanische Kurs dauert insgesamt 16 Wochen. Danach werde ich die mittlere Stufe erreichen. Ich habe einen Freund Mark, er kommt aus Spanien. Er kennt auch ein bisschen Deutsch. Er kann mir beim Spanisch lernen helfen. Übrigens, jetzt muss ich mich auf meine Reise nach Spanien vorbereiten. Ich habe viel anzupacken. Hoffentlich wird alles klappen. Super. So you could rerun this video, and whenever you listen to this video, you could rather have a look at this text written on the right. I'll just read an excerpt for you to see how the sounds I have written down here. For example, mein Name ist John Berlin. It's like, mein Name ist John Berlin. Ich bin ein Schriftsteller. Ich bin einen Schriftsteller und einen Deutschlehrer von Beruf. Ja. Ich bin 33 Jahre alt. Ich bin 33 Jahre alt. Meine Hobbys sind zu unterrichten, Bücher zu schreiben, Boxen zu gucken und zu malen. Meine Hobbys sind zu unterrichten, Bücher zu schreiben, Boxen zu gucken und zu malen. Perfect. So this was just a brief excerpt to show you that the original sounds are just interpreted here with the description of those sounds written as these letters to help you identify the right sound and practice it. All right, so I wish you all the best. Read this text and see you get the right sounds. See you in the next lesson. Signing off. This is John Bala.